Valerie Biden Owens is an American political strategist, campaign manager and former educator. She is the younger sister of U.S. President-elect Joe Biden. U.S. President Barack Obama nominated her as advisor to the United Nations 71st General Assembly. She was born the daughter of Catherine Eugenia Jean and Joseph Robinette Biden Sr. Her siblings are Joe, Francis Frank Biden, and James Jim Biden. Her family is of Irish Catholic background. Biden's father was initially wealthy, however suffered several financial setbacks. For several years the family lived with Biden's maternal grandparents. Joe Biden Sr. later became a successful used car salesman, maintaining the family a middle-class lifestyle. She graduated from the University of Delaware, where she was on the dean's list and was homecoming queen. After college, Owens was a teacher at Wilmington Friends School before focusing on politics. From 1997 until 2016, she served as executive vice president of Joe Slade White & Company, a media consultant firm. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.